Imagine earning cash while mastering new skills at home. It's not just a dream. With AI tools, you can do this too. First, choose a skill that interests you. Think about writing, video editing, or graphic design. Pick something you're passionate about. Next, utilize AI tools to enhance your workflow. Tools like ChatGPT assist with writing. Canva allows easy design work. These tools save you time and effort. Now, start freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr let you offer your services. Set up a profile and showcase your skills to attract clients. Then, create content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Share your knowledge or skills in unique ways. You don't need experience, just creativity and consistency. Remember, consistency is crucial. Keep posting and promoting your work. Over time, your audience will grow, and money will follow. In summary, choose a skill, use AI, freelance, and create content. Follow these steps, and you could join the winning students in the AI space. Ready to start your journey? Subscribe for more AI earning methods.